students. I hope you all are fine at your home. Okay. Students, we have done the reading of unit number 1 in our previous class. Today we will learn some more topics related to this chapter. Okay. We have done the pages, reading of page number 1 till 8. So today we will read list of the topics. We will start the reading page number 8 till 14. Okay, you know our topic is our body. Okay, in our previous class we have done the reading. Okay, as we know we have the 5 sense organs. Okay, the first one is eye. Eyes help us to see. Okay, the second one is tongue. Tongue help us to taste. The third one is hair. Hair help us to hear the different types of different kinds of things. Next one is nose. Nose help us to breathe, as well as you can smell the different kinds of things. Okay. The last one is skin. You know, skin is the big sense organs. Okay. We can touch and think. We can feel the different types of objects around us with our skin. Okay. Open the page number 9. Open your science book. This is your reading book. Okay. Open the page number 9. Here you will open the page number 9. First you will open page number 9. Okay. We have done the reading on our previous page are your ears. Okay. Your hair with your ears. You can hear different types of things, different types of sounds with your ears. Okay, your ear help you to learn how things sounds. Okay, we use our ears to listen different types of objects around us. Students, we have done the sounds in 2 different categories. The first one is loud and the second one is soft. Means we have 2 sounds, loud sounds and low sounds. Okay. Now you can see here sounds can be loud. Okay, means you can see here aeroplane, and the sound of aeroplane it's too much loud. It can be irritating you. Okay, so just like the aeroplane, you can see different types of objects like the siren of ambulance. It can be hurting your ears. The sound of police van, as well as generator sounds. Okay, so these sounds are very strong. Okay, means when you will listen these loud sounds, so you cannot feeling well. It can be hurt your ears. Okay, so these things have the loud sounds. Okay, now you will read here sounds can be soft. Okay, just like we can listen the loud sound, as well as we can listen with the help of our ears the soft sounds. Soft means very low sounds. Okay, just like you can see on the board, low sounds, you can see the piano. Okay, do you like piano? The sound of piano it's looking very good. Okay, when you will listen the sound of piano, so you will be happy. The sounds of waves, when you will go on the seaside, so you can listen the wave sounds. It's looking very good. The next one is heartbeat. Okay, your heartbeat, it is very low sound. And the next one is flute. Okay, so sounds can be soft. These are called soft sound. Okay, now turn the page. Page number, open the page number 10. Open the page number 10, all of you. Okay, now we will read here one more sense, your nose. Okay, where is your nose? Touch your finger, touch your nose, put finger on your nose. Very good. Your smell with your nose. Okay, you can smell, you can breathe. Okay, your nose helps you to learn how things smell. Means we can use our nose, we can smell different types of objects around us. How do you think the flowers smell? You can see here a flower. Okay, how do you think? Because the smell of the flower is very good. It can be sweet and it can be attractive. Okay, for you, so you can listen. You can smell the flower. Okay. The next one is page number 11. You can see here some things smell good and some things smell bad. Okay. You can hear the good things and bad things. When you will go, so you can listen. You can listen the different types of smell. So some things smell. You can smell different types of objects around us. Okay, when you will go in your kitchen, so you can smell different types of foods. Okay, just like the cake, you can see here biscuits. Okay, different types of fruits. You can smell different types of things. So it's very good. But some things smell bad. You can see here a very bad place. You can see here some garbage. Okay, so this place, it's not good. The smell of garbage is not good as well. Okay, so some things smell good and some things smell bad around us. So how can we smell? We can smell with the help of our nose. Okay, turn the next page. The next page is page number 12. Open the page number 12, all of you. Okay, you can see here the next topic is your tongue. You can see here tongue. Okay, do you have tongue? Okay, open your mouth. You can see here tongue. Okay, your taste with your tongue. You taste with your tongue. Okay, when you will mostly people have the different like the different types of fruit, different types of food. So it can be tasted by the tongue. Your tongue helps you to know how food tastes. Okay, what is your favorite food? Do you like? Some people have the different types of foods. Means you can see here different foods have different taste. Okay, so we have some more main taste here. You can see on the board. The first one is sweet, sour, bitter and salty. Okay, so here you can see different types of things. Means like you can see here honey. Honey tastes sweet. Okay, just like honey, you like the chocolates, candies. Okay, the taste of these things, it's very sweet. The next one is lemon. Lemon's taste is sour. Okay, just like the lemon, you can like the oranges. Okay, the orange taste is also just like the little bit sour. Okay, the next one is bitter. Bitter melon got taste is bitter. Okay, just like medicines, when you will eat the medicine, that's the taste of medicines, the tablet and cough syrup, it can be bitter. Okay, the next one is chips. Do you like chips? Just like you, mostly children like the Lays. Okay, so chips taste salty. Okay, you can see here chips, when you will put the salt on the food, so it can be salty. Okay, you can see here chips, the taste of chips, it's salty. You can see here salty chips. Okay, so we have the four main tastes. The first one is sweet, sour, bitter and salty. Okay, have you got it? Now turn the next page. The next page is page number 14. Open the page number 14, all of you. The next topic is your skin. Okay, you touch with your skins. You know skin is the, on my hand you can see skin. Okay, skin is the big sense organs. Okay, your skin helps you to know how feel things. Means you can touch the things around us, then you can feel these things are smooth and these things can be hard. So how do you think the teddy feels? You can see here a toy teddy bear. So when you will touch the teddy bears, it feels very soft. Okay, things can feel soft or hard hard. So just like when you will go on your room, so you can see different types of objects. Some objects are hard and some objects are soft, just like your toys. This teddy feels soft. When you will touch the teddy, any toy, so you can feel it's very soft. Okay, then the rock feels hard. When you will touch the rock, so it's feel hard. Okay, hard. Things can feel smooth or rough. This bed feels smooth. When you will, okay, this bed you can see here bed, it's feel smooth. So do you have balloons? When you will touch the skin of the balloon, it can be smooth. Okay, so just like this lock feels rough. When you will touch the lock, here you can see when you will touch, so it's feel not looking good. It can, when you will rub your fingers, so the skin of the lock, it's rough. Okay, so you can see here different types of objects. They have the different types of skins. Means teddy bear and your some toys can be soft. When you have the cars, aeroplanes, so it can be hard, just like the stone. Okay, this bed feels smooth. When you will touch, when I feel this space, so it is smooth. Okay, so this log is feel rough, and we have different types of things. Okay, around us, they have the different types of things. Okay, this is the page number 14. Okay, students, we will learn the next pages in our next class. Let's move on the homework folder. Okay. This is your activity book. Okay, science activity book, and we will do these pages in your activity book. Page number 7, 8, 9, and 11. Okay. First, we will open the page number 9. We have done these pages in our previous class. So today we will start from page number 7. Open the page number 7, all of you. Take your pencil and start working with me. This is activity number 5. We have here one activity. What are your sense organs? Match the words to the parts of the body. You can see here 5 sense organs like eye, ear, skin, tongue and nose. Now you can see here nose, tongue, ear, eye, skin. You will take a ruler and match with these pictures with their names. The first one is nose. So where is the nose? Here you can draw, you can match nose with the picture. This is the picture of nose. So you can match this word, the name with the picture. The next one is tongue. Where is the tongue? So you can match the word with the picture. The second one is tongue. So you can match here. Okay. The third one is ear. Ear match with this picture. Where is the ear? The hair is the ear of picture. So you can match with the ear. The next one is eye. Where is the eye? Here you can take a ruler, then you can draw proper lines. Eye, you can match this word with the picture of eye. Skin, where is the skin? You can match here. Skin, you can match skin with the picture. Have you done? Turn the next page. The next page is page number 8. Open the page number 8. Here we have one more activity. How do you use your sense organs? Use the words in the box to complete the sentences. Okay, we have some words here like taste, see, hear, smell. Okay, you will do here. What will you do? Okay, now students, you will write here. Take this word. I see with my eyes. I smell with my nose. I hear with my ears and I taste with my tongue. So you can take these words and you will write according to these sentences. Okay, now turn the page number 9. This is one more activity. Circle the sense organs. Fatma is using their nose. You can see here, so you will circle on the nose. Circle the sense organ. Sharif is using air, so you will make the circle on the air. Okay, now. Okay students, now turn the page number. We have done the page number 9. Now open the page number 11. Okay. On this page we have one more exercise. Look at the photographs below. Write S for soft sounds and L for loud sounds. So you can see here, you will identify the pics and write S for soft and L for loud. So you can see here a water. The waves of waters can be slow. So you will write here as the roar of the tiger can be loud. So you will write here L. The sound of aeroplane, it can be loud. So you will write here L. The sounds of traffic, you can see here lots of car, buses. So it can be loud. So you will write here L. The sounds of a boy can hear, you can see here. Okay. A boy is whispering, it is also soft. Okay. Now let's come on the copy work. Copy work is here. You will maintain the page. This is activity. List the parts of your body you use when you okay, run, throw. You will do this work from the homework folder in your copy. Okay students. Allah Hafiz.